Hey guys, so we got hit with some frost, so today I'm just gonna pull out some things that need to be taken out, and I might start on my cannas, I don't know, but for now I'm just gonna pull things out, cut things back. So the sweet potato plants actually do make sweet potatoes, the sweet potato vines. So when you're pulling them out, you might see some tubers. These plants are not bred for eating. They're not grown for that. So I would not suggest eating these. I don't know if they are totally edible, and if they are, they likely don't taste very good because they're not bred for that. So my Hosta Woo over here is loaded with seeds, and I want to show you guys that. Look at that. Absolutely loaded. Now, usually I would be like, ooh, I want to save all the seeds. I want to save everything. But I get so many Hosta seedlings that pop up on their own. I've got some Hosta seedlings here. These are from this year. They're all over this area. So I'm not gonna collect seeds. I know if I want to grow seeds from grow from this plant, all I have to do is come out here and just pluck whatever hostas that I want. I did grow hostas from seed this year already, and I'll show you what they look like. Where are they? So I have a few in here. These guys will overwinter in the garage with the strawberries and this grass. But yeah, so I would love to, and I don't believe that these would breed true, so I likely wouldn't get another Hosta Woo, but I get a hybrid Hosta, which could be as big as the Hosta Woo. But yeah, I'm not saving seeds, but I thought it was really cool, and I wanted to show you guys in case anyone out there has not seen seeds on their hostas yet. So all of the plants that I grew for cut flowers are gone. Well, most of them. The snapdragons look really good, and honestly, they overwinter for me sometimes. So this plant right here is from last year, and it overwintered. So I'm leaving these little pockets of snapdragons here in ground. I also cut my dahlias to soil level, the dahlias that I grew from seed, because I had one dahlia overwinter for me from last year. It's up there. I've already covered it, cut it back and covered. Who is that doing that crowing? That's somebody new. Is that you, Chippy Chunks? Is that you, Chippy Chunks? Oh, Chippy Chunks. Hi, Poofy. Hi, Poofy girl. A couple of my chickens are molting right now, so everybody looks very haggard. Everyone's looking real haggard in there. But yeah, so these, we've got some perennials here. There are some petunias here that I'll pull out later, but the coluses have already died back. We cut out the gomphrena, what is it? Oh, I don't remember, but everything has been cut out of here. I am excited to plan this bed again for next year, because above that board there is going to be perennials. So I'm going to put a lot more hydrangeas up there. There are a few up there now. And then from that board down is going to be my flowers, my cut flowers. So, and I'm hoping to put some pavers in between, so I can kind of walk this way to service both areas a little bit easier. So we've got pavers up there. I'm going to put pavers here, and then I'll have this way here to also service this area. So yeah, I'm excited to end the season. Also sad, but you know, that's what it is here in zone 5. My roses are still going, looking gorgeous. A lot of the garden is still going. Some of the tender things have started to die back. I still have a tomato going. I think this is Barry's Crazy Cherry. So that's still going. Let's see if we can get a close-up of Barry's Crazy Cherry. Super good tomato. I'm letting everything go as long as it wants to. One, so that I can see how long things last. Usually I just pull everything out at the same time, but this year I'm kind of taking it a little bit slower, leaving things in longer. As long as they're still going, I still want to be out here enjoying them. So I'm taking it plant by plant. Once the plant tells me it's ready to go, then I'll go and cut it back and pull it out, except for these cannas, because I need to get to those. The cannas are a big job for me, and they're looking quite horrible right now, so it's time for them to go. I don't usually let them last this long, so yeah, it's a big job. I do have videos on my channel about breaking down cannas, so I don't know if I'll film another video of it because it is grueling work. And I've already filmed a video last year on it, and it's the exact same. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments if you have started breaking down your garden for winter, and also leave your zone in the comment section so I can see where you guys are all gardening from. See you in the next video. Bye!